So Dan, I think that we can have a coffee break and you can share some information about our site. One thing that is important for our attendees to know is that everything is recorded. All the sessions are being recorded, and we're going to share the obviously the video in our YouTube channel and also the slides. Okay, so don't worry that you're going to have all the material to check it out later.
So go ahead and take your, everybody can take kind of your break now, but I'm going to take advantage of this opportunity to talk a little bit about, what's coming up. Soon Adel is going to talk about Fusion Analytic Warehouse in a nutshell and talk about that. But, you have 5 minutes in between here now. But one of the things I wanted to show during this break was show a little bit of things on the Analytics and Oracle and Data Oracle User Community website, the ANDOUC website. So if I come back here and look at the home page, this is where hopefully a lot of you signed up for the Techcast days. And this is where you came to register. If you haven't seen it, this is where the little YouTube link is where you can find a lot of our previous Techcasts that we've been doing. And let me just show you, if you scroll down on here, you can see all the different videos in here on several things. Here's the Techcast days back from May. We had hands-on labs where we actually led people through using Oracle Analytics on here. In the spatial and graph, all of this is in here. And previous Techcast days, that's what you see in here, as well as lots of Techcasts, fantasy football, easy load transform model and auto data insights, and so forth. You can see the views, and we have these going way back in here. Lots and lots of these examples of this from previous sessions. So a lot of various Techcasts. If I come back here and you go to the Techcasts page, you'll see another view of basically the same information, but here's the upcoming stuff coming on November 4th. You can sign up, click on the register link, and you can sign up for Joe's session on machine learning and propensity to buy in here. Same thing on January 20th, integrating data silos, LinkedIn data, and so forth. If you scroll down, you'll see all the Techcasts we've been giving throughout 2021, as well as a bunch of sessions from 2020 and going back to 2019. So many sessions in here. You can click on the videos, you can look at the slides. We make a lot of that available as a user community. And I'll go ahead and mention also, if you want to go to our shop, you too can get one of these color changing mugs with normal distribution and paranormal distribution, magic mug, and order those. That's especially within the US. We're still working on getting the logistics of international shipping working. But you can look at all of that and help us out and get your own copies of these as part of our user community. As well, one other thing on the Techcasts, while I'm giving my demo, let me show you in here. You can stay updated, join our user community, get signed up, as well as submit your own abstract. If you have something you would like, we would love to showcase more of your implementations, have you present. They're generally about 45-minute, half hour to 45-minute time slots. You can submit your own abstract in here. You click on here and you can click on new presenter, put in your email, and then asks you a little bit. You plunk in your password, plunk in your abstract, something that just describes your session. We'll be in contact with you and talk. This is where we gain all of the great information that we share with all of you as a user community. Let me come back here and run through a few of these before we're ready to start. These are the links to the various community I saw in there. We're trying to make it so you can click on these links in the chat, but you can chat with the experts. We'll show these as we go through, and we make these slides available up on the same place that I just showed you on the website for a bunch of these. You can join us. We have a Slack workspace. Hopefully I'll have a chance in another break to show you the Slack workspace. but then we'll call out that, and we have multiple channels in there for each of the various groups within us, the analytics, graph, spatial, and machine learning, and have one-to-one conversations with various people. You can submit your abstract. I just showed how. We kind of believe in sharing that amongst all the different people in here. Just a quick plug for our machine learning propensity to buy modeling by Joe Darshwuski. On November 4th and November 18th is deploying an XG boost model using OML services. So real stuff we're showing. We have our winter session on February 15th through 17th. Keep track of that and you'll see more about us. I already showed that, and lots of links we'll talk about later. And this is what's coming up for tomorrow on Wednesday. This is our stuff today, and